Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you will be the first to be notified anytime I upload new video. And if you find my video helpful, please don't forget to share with your family and friends and comment, like also. So guys, in today's remedy, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare what I call my miracle drink. Yes, the reason why I call this a miracle drink is because, like, this particular drink I'm about to show you guys is really amazing. It does like wonders. You know, for some months now, a lot of people have been so worried, like, what do I do to keep my family safe? What do I do to protect myself? You know, that has been the question, and that has been the fear on the air. So yeah, because in my own case here, my husband still works. He goes to work every day, even when this crisis is still on and off. So I did a lot of research. I was like, okay, I need to do something. I need to come up with something that will help him, that will protect him not to get sick at all, because going to the hospital now is one of the things I don't want us to do, even me and the children. So I was like, what do I do? How do I go about it? I don't want him to fall sick. I don't want my children to fall sick. I don't want anybody to fall sick at all. So I did a lot of research and came up with something amazing. So I chose this name for this particular drink because it has been amazing. Like, this is one of our routine, let me just put it like that, since this whole thing has been happening. So this is one of the things we have been taking to keep everybody safe and healthy at home. So in fact, it was a few days back, you know, my husband was telling me that this your remedy really worked. Like, apart from protecting me from getting sick, but I noticed a whole lot of changes on my body. My body feels me, I feel very light these days, no more body pains. You know, most of the things that he used to experience in the past, he was like telling me that all those things are gone. He feels very, very healthy right now. So you can see we're trying to keep healthy, and not knowing that this same drink has been doing amazing things, especially for him, because I have the one I prepared that me and the kids take, but this particular one I basically prepared for him, that always goes out, especially going to work. So he takes it 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup at night. So I prepare this like every week. I'll prepare it and pour it into a plastic rubber and store it in the fridge. So all he does is to take 1 cup from there, warm it in the microwave, and take it. So guys, in fact, he was the one that encouraged me to still share this remedy idea so people can still learn. So I decided to show you guys. So in this miracle drink, what you'll be needing is orange. Like, the quantity I always prepare is I use 2 liters of water. So these are the ingredients I use for this 2 liters of water. So 2 oranges, I've washed them properly, and 2 lemon, and 1 onion, like this size is okay, ginger and garlic. So let me quickly show you guys how I prepare this. So yeah, this is it, and we are going to the next part of it. All right guys, as you can see, there's my 2 liters of water, and I allow it to boil before I will add all my stuff inside the water. But this is another thing guys that I add. This is optional, all right? If you don't have it, it's okay. The reason why I'm adding it is because I have them at home. So but if you have them, it's good, you can also use it. But if you don't have it, it's okay. This will do. This will still give you the same result, okay? Like if you're an Igbo person, I know you know what this is called. I really don't know what it's called in English, but I think we'll call it in my dialect Ihokriho or something like that. So what I'll do next is to put this in. I've already used it before, I'm still using it again. That's how we use it, so you can use it as many times as possible. And this too, I know so many people know about this, to use it to cook pepper soup and stuff like that. I think it's called Oda in my local dialect as well. So if you have these two, it's optional. Like I said, you can basically prepare this remedy without these two, but the reason why I'm adding them to it is because I have them in my kitchen, okay? So these two will be going in first. As you can see, it's still boiling, okay? It's boiling. Then the next thing is all the sliced ingredients. They are all going in at once, all right? As you can see guys, it has been cooking for 3 minutes now. So at this point, our remedy is ready, okay? My miracle drink is ready. So at this point, you're good to go. So you allow it to boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and you turn off the gas and cover it back and allow it to get cold before you can store it in your fridge. Take it 1 spoon. If you're already feeling sick, like you're already down with fever, cough or catarrh, just prepare this remedy. Take it 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the afternoon, and 1 cup in the night. Continue like that, and you will see how fast you're going to be recovering from that fever. And if you're not sick, or you're scared, you don't know what to do, or now that you know workers are going back to work and stuff like that, you can also prepare this remedy and take it 1 cup before you leave for work and 1 cup at night. I assure you, you can never fall sick, all right? This drink is amazing. So stay safe guys. Bye.